Are you tired of burning a hole in your wallet just to generate stunning AI images? What if I told you there's a free tool out there that's just as powerful as MidJourney and ChatGPT? Yes, you heard that right. Free! Today I'm going to introduce you to CG-Dream.ai, a remarkable AI image generator that won't cost you a dime. Stick around because I'll walk you through its amazing features, show you jaw-dropping examples, and reveal just how free it really is. Whether you're a digital artist, a content creator, or just someone who loves playing with AI tools, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to CG-Dream.ai. You might be skeptical about the quality, right? Well, prepare to be amazed. Unlike many free image generators, CG-Dream.ai produces absolutely stunning images. The secret lies in their unique method of generating images, which allows you to create exactly what you envision. This means that whether you're looking to generate a fantasy scene, a sci-fi landscape, or a simple portrait, CG-Dream.ai can handle it all with impressive detail and creativity. But when we say free, how free is it really? Let's click on the pricing tab. For free, you get 1,200 images. That's a lot more than most free image generators offer. You also get concurrent jobs, browsing and search, commercial use, and 2 image variations per job. If you need more features, upgrading is always an option. Now that we know we can generate a ton of images for free, let's explore the different ways to create images with CG-Dream.ai. Let's start with text-to-image. All you need to do is scroll down and enter your prompt. For example, let's try horse in a green field. You might wonder, why is this different? CG-Dream.ai has filters that add detail and style to your images. For our horse, let's select the horses filter and the ancient ruins filter. There are hundreds of filters to choose from, so you can customize your images to your heart's content. Now click on Generate, and here it is, a beautifully stylized image of a horse. Now let's select the watercolor filter, and here is the result. This feature alone is enough to make CG-Dream.ai stand out, but there's so much more. If you want to dive deeper into customization, you can adjust the filters further. Now generate another image. This time, let's try just horse, and for filters, let's crank up the brass steampunk filter, max out the dressed animals filter, and add another filter called abstract 3D fractals. Click on Generate again, and voila, a stunning new image with even more detail. This level of control makes it so easy to create consistent characters and unique styles. The ability to fine-tune every aspect of the image allows for a high degree of personalization, making your creations truly your own. Next, let's check out the Dreamup option. Let's prompt a futuristic cyborg hovering above the ground with wings and armor. Select filters like action and military armor, then click the Dreamup button. This feature enhances the image generation process, handling the details for you. The result? A beautifully detailed image with a rich description generated by the AI. To see the full body, we'll change the aspect ratio to vertical, add more variations, and apply filters like character and fantasy art. Generate again, and you get an even more impressive image. This feature is particularly useful for creating complex scenes where detailed descriptions are essential. CG-Dream.ai offers an image-to-image feature too. Upload a photo, let's say a picture of anyone, and see what happens with zero prompt. Apply filters like 3D Redmond Vi1 and manga cartoon. Click Generate, and you'll get an amazing photo. Want to try something different? How about using the cyborg style and sci-fi style filters with the cinematic prompt? The result is mind-blowing, capturing the essence of the original photo while adding fantastic new elements. This feature is perfect for those who want to transform their existing images into something magical and new. Finally, let's explore the 3D to image feature. Select a high-quality 3D model like a car and position it however you like. Apply filters such as sci-fi environment and prompt futuristic car driving through a futuristic city. The result is a wild, customized image. For fun, let's make it a flying car hovering over a cityscape. Adjust the filters, click Generate, and enjoy the creative output. If it's too complex, refine the prompt and try again. The possibilities are endless. This feature is fantastic for creating detailed, lifelike images that bring your 3D models to life in new and exciting ways. CG-Dream.ai also has cool challenges where you can submit your images to win prizes. Imagine earning $150 just for generating an image. There are various various categories, such as abstract art, surrealism, sci-fi, cartoon, portrait, and more. The most liked and most viewed images also win prizes, so give it a shot and see what you can create. These challenges are a great way to push your creativity and potentially earn some extra cash while doing what you love. Now, you might have seen this 2x button on the bottom of the image. This increases the image resolution, but not the way you think. If I click it, we get a way more detailed image. What's different is that it creates new pixels on top of the pixels that are already there, using image generation to upscale. This creates way more detail, so you can get an image with way higher quality detail. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring your images are print-ready or suitable for high-resolution displays. CG-Dream.ai stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for all your creative needs. Let us know your thoughts on this in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy generating.